This is the newly replaced elevator 12 at Milton Hall at the Community College of Allegheny County, Allegheny campus in Allegheny, West Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a Westinghouse from 1972. It was modernized by Lindsay Adams Survivor Plus in 2003. There are more escalators. There were escalators in this building, then they removed them in 2009. When they did that, they installed 2 more elevators over there, which are Marshall with Innovation version, non-proprietary, not ThyssenKrupp or anything. And actually, when they did that, they paired this one with those 2. But then this one got replaced just this year with an Otis Gen3. Like, it's a mod style, but it's a new install, complete replacement. It's no longer on the same controllers as others. Down's lock are going to go up. And it's also really tall now. It was not that tall before. If it was like behind the suspended ceiling, up to 7. Here we go up. Apparently they had to replace this because the old elevator got water damage. There was a major
7th floor
flood in the building. Here we're at 7.
Going down.
Basement's locked once before. Oh no, it isn't. Cool. Alright, I guess we're going to the basement because it was locked before. And the other 2 don't go down there. It says floor lock out there. It says for 7. No, for 1. Or 7. No, 1. But I'm guessing for the basement. It's a basic stainless steel cabinet. Again, it's very tall. It was not this tall before the mod, at least not visibly. There was a suspended ceiling before. Class A loading, it's a combination passenger freight elevator. The other 2 apparently elevators got like new cabs or something, I think.
Basement.
The basement, oh, it's down there. Just mechanical.
Going up.
Alright, the 1.
First floor.
Wow, that was ripped off. I guess that's going to be it.